Libraries are a new feature of Windows 7. Power users are already raving about them, but regular users often find them confusing. Libraries appear just like folders when you are working with them in Windows Explorer, but in actual fact they can show the data from several locations on your computer. Now, this can be handy if you want to browse all of your photographs or music together, for example. If you are still confused, let's see if I can clear things up with an example. Let's go into the music library here. Now, at the top, we can see Windows is telling us that this library includes two locations. Click here to see what they are. OK, so we can see that in actual fact we're getting a combined view of my music folder and the public music folder. So in effect, this library is showing us the content in both of these folders. See here, we've also got a default save location. What does this mean? Well, we can work with our libraries like any other folder. So if we were to copy or move a file into this library from somewhere else, this folder would be where the file was actually stored. We can also add other locations to the library. Say you had a network storage device with lots of music on, we can add that as long as it can be indexed, or even a removable hard drive. Now, there are some restrictions on this. Unfortunately, USB thumb or stick drives are not supported, and you can only add network locations that are indexed and available offline. For more information about what files and folders can be included, click on Learn more about libraries here. Then click the link What types of locations are supported in libraries? OK, I'm just going to close that for now. So, I've put an extra music folder on my C drive, just so I can demonstrate this to you. Now, you'd not normally do this. You'd normally just place the music in the music folder or the public music folder. But, for the sake of this example, I've just placed it in the root or top level of my C drive. So, let's click on Add. Navigate to C drive. Nope, we're already there. Click on Music, and then click on Include Folder. OK, the folder is added, and I'll click on OK. Right, we can see that a new folder has appeared. It's down here. Let's sort by album, for example. Now we can see all the albums in our library and play any of them with Windows Media Player simply by right-clicking them and choosing Play with Windows Media Player from the context menu. If you've used Windows Media Player before, you'll know that it has a built-in library for your music. Well, in Windows 7, the music library here and in Windows Media Player is linked. We can also view the data by artist, by song, by genre, and even by rating. We can also change the views between list view, details view, and icon view, just as we did in the previous tutorial. Let's have a look at the pictures library. Again, this works on exactly the same principle. There are two locations included by default: My Pictures and Public Pictures. This time we can sort by day, month, rating, or tag. We'll see how to edit this metadata in a later tutorial. So, there we have it. Libraries are a great new feature of Windows 7. As time goes by, more and more applications will take advantage of them, just like Windows Media Player does, helping to reduce searching times and duplicate files on your PC.